little bit, you know, but it's enough to drive you nuts.
I know, true, true.
It's terrible.
Right. Here comes Diane. Take Diane.
Yeah, wait till her Diane.
Take Diane coming down the street.
No, but I get all the movies at home. I can make it out of
This is funny.
Yo ho,
I
yo
like
ho.
you got that song that they play at Disney.
yeah.
Where'd you get that?
I got
Make
the
a
album.
Memories.
I got the album.
The Disney album. Make a memory.
I took those movies.
She thinks she's really something else on this bike.
You can do it much better now, Mom.
We're making horror movies today.
Horror movies today.
Yeah.
You want to get on this bike, Jeannie? Take Diane's place.
I'm watching this. It's good you don't drive. Holy smokes.
Take Diane. Oh, take DJ out in the porch so she can take a picture.
On the couch.
Oh, wake her up. She sleeps all the time.
It's half dead anyway. What's the sense?
So wake him up.
Now what are you doing?
I'm trying to get in there.
Don't you scratch that car up.
No, that's why I can't drive very good. Well, you know what
Pick
happened?
that end up.
That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah. The other side. The other side. Yeah, Ma, you were pretty fat in those pictures.
Oh, isn't that awful?
I thought you looked skinny.
Oh, forget it. I'm going to leave it.
You don't like this, Ma.
Too much of a
This is
little
gonna
space.
be good.
She reminds me of that woman at the hall trying to park a car.
You
Yeah.
have to take me when I'm kind of losing weight a little bit. You know, I'm still kind
When
of
will that be? We don't have all day, you know.
Vivaldi, they have them, but they don't.
Ugh. Just like you did with Walla.
Look at the face.
Oh.